Welcome back to Explore on Wheels, your home for the latest automotive leaks, futuristic builds, and off-road adventure machines. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of Chevrolet's most anticipated Overland-ready trucks, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Overland Edition. New insider reports, design leaks, and early test mule details are giving us a clearer look at how Chevy plans to redefine the off-road full-size truck segment. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Silverado ZR2 Overland Edition is expected to introduce a more aggressive and expedition-focused exterior. Spy shots hint at a redesigned front fascia with a wider stance, reinforced steel bumpers, and an upgraded skid plate system covering the transmission, fuel tank, and front differential. The signature ZR2 grille now gets a sharper, more angular pattern, paired with updated LED headlights featuring Chevy's new split-light design. Overland features like roof racks, side-mounted equipment rails, and an optional snorkel setup are likely to be available from the factory. Moving into performance, Chevrolet is doubling down on off-road capability. The 2026 ZR2 Overland Edition is rumored to continue with the 6.2-liter VR8 engine, but with refined tuning for better torque delivery at low RPMs, ideal for crawling and steep climbs. Horsepower is expected to land around 455, while torque could reach up to 470 pound-feet. Chevy may also offer the 3.0-liter Duramax diesel for long-distance overlanding efficiency, producing impressive low-end grunt. The Multimatic DSSV dampers are getting an upgrade too, offering adaptive damping that automatically adjusts to rocks, sand, or highway cruising. Inside the cabin, the Silverado ZR2 Overland Edition aims to bring premium comfort to long-distance adventure. Expect a refreshed dashboard layout with new soft-touch materials, copper-accented stitching, a redesigned steering wheel, and improved seat cushioning for long road trips. The centerpiece remains the 13.4-inch Chevrolet infotainment system, offering wireless smartphone connectivity, off-road trail maps, overland route logging, and satellite-based communication features for remote locations. The Overland package is also expected to include extra power outlets, a dedicated accessory controller, and built-in onboard air. Safety and driver assistance technology are getting a major upgrade as well. Chevy is likely to equip the 2026 model with enhanced Super Cruise compatibility for towing, a full 360-degree off-road camera system with underbody views, advanced hill descent control with clutch modulation, and improved trailer assist features. New leaks also suggest the possibility of a thermal imaging front camera to help detect animals or obstacles during night expeditions. Around the rear, the Overland Edition introduces a more tactical setup. Expect a reinforced rear bumper, new LED taillights, and an upgraded multi-flex tailgate that doubles as a work surface or cooking station during camping trips. Additional bed tie-downs, modular storage mounts, and a 400-watt power system are designed to support rooftop tents, fridge freezers, and overland gear. Optional side storage boxes and a bed-mounted roll bar with LED light bars are also rumored. Now let's talk about pricing. Based on market estimates and current ZR2 pricing trends, the 2026 Silverado ZR2 Overland Edition is expected to start around $76,000, with fully loaded models pushing above $88,000 depending on accessories and engine choice. It's not a budget-friendly truck, but with the level of equipment, capability, and factory-built overlanding features, it's positioned to compete directly with premium off-road rigs. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Overland Edition is shaping up to be one of the most capable factory overland trucks ever built. With its powerful engine options, advanced suspension technology, enhanced interior comfort, and true expedition-ready features, Chevy is aiming to attract adventure seekers who want reliability, comfort, and brute strength in one package. Thank you for watching Explore on Wheels. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you take the Silverado ZR2 Overland Edition on your next adventure? Until next time, keep exploring and keep your wheels rolling toward adventure.